In this video, I will show you how to add USDT to Phantom Wallet. So let's jump straight into it. So in order to do this, I'll be using the Phantom Wallet app on my mobile device, but the steps are the same if you are on a PC or laptop. So the first thing you're going to want to do is, of course, open up the Phantom Wallet, and there's actually two ways you can add USDT to your Phantom Wallet. The first way to do this is in your wallet, you're going to see the buy icon. So if you actually press on to buy, and what you want to do is just go ahead and use the search box to search for USDT. What you then want to do is choose the USDT, whether that's on the Ethereum network or whichever network you want to purchase this on. So let's go for Ethereum, and then you will put the amount of USDT you want to buy. Once that's done, come down and press the next button underneath, and it's going to give you some options on how you can purchase USDT to add to your Phantom Wallet. So in my case, I've got MoonPay, which means I can use card, Google Pay or bank transfer, and it's also an option for Coinbase on-ramp where I can use card, transfer from bank or my Coinbase account. So that is one way to add USDT to your Phantom Wallet. The second way to do this is from your dashboard. You're also going to see a swap icon. So what you can do if you've already got some crypto coins, say for example like Solana or Bitcoin in your Phantom Wallet, what you can do is press onto the swap icon here, and you can actually swap your chosen cryptocurrency for USDT. So for example, in the top box, you would select which cryptocurrency you want to swap for. So you would just use the search box here. Then you would input the amounts that you want to swap. And in the select token box here, you want to press onto this and select USDT, just like so. What it's going to do is take you to a third party where you'll be able to go ahead and swap your coin, your chosen coin, for USDT. Of course, once you've done that, again, that's going to add the USDT to your Phantom Wallet. So with that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.